Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Telegram. This channel cannot be displayed on iPhone. To know how to fix or how to solve Telegram, this channel cannot be displayed on iPhone. You should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Telegram and you will enter. Then in this page here you will go to click for stop and you will enter here. Then you will go to click storage. After that you will go to click clear cache and then you will go to click manage storage. And when you will end all this, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.